Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can delete spaces within your workspace on Wrike. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to your account on Wrike, and here on the left sidebar navigate to spaces. You may also click into these three dots, select all my spaces so that you may have an overview of all of your created spaces. So as you can see, I created several of these spaces for the sake of the tutorial. Let us get rid of one of it for demonstration purposes. So the function to remove it is a little bit hidden. You won't find it here in these three dots. First time I saw these three dots, I assumed there was a delete button here, but there is not, as you can see. So you will need to access the given space. And here in the overview, what you want to do is click into these three dots here. And there you will see the option to either archive or to delete the space. Click into it, confirm by clicking into this button. Just bear in mind that once you have deleted the given space, all included tasks, projects, folders, and so on and so forth will be moved to this folder here, guys. So you will need to either restore it from there or delete them from there. So confirm by clicking into this button. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.